Now, speaking of the Congress, let's talk about the Congress-led Himachal Pradesh government, which is facing another round of criticism, and this time is for its latest healthcare policy, which will soon be implemented across all government-led hospitals in the state, and is now being seen as many as a burden or additional burden on the common man. Going forward, all patients which are visiting the government hospitals in the state of Himachal Pradesh will now be required to pay 10 rupees as fee for prescriptions. In addition to this, 133 diagnostic tests that were earlier provided free of cost will now be chargeable. This also marks a notable departure from the previous policy where no fees was levied for prescriptions in government-run facilities. Now, leader of opposition in the Himachal Pradesh Assembly, Jairam Thakur, has slammed the move, saying that everything will now be taxed and has urged the Chief Minister to reconsider the decision.
आज हिमाचल प्रदेश में सुख की सरकार यानी कि शुल्क की सरकार ने ये स्थिति पैदा कर दी कि आप हॉस्पिटल में पर्ची बनाएंगे तो पर्ची का भी 10 रुपए लगेगा और 133 टेस्ट जो होते थे वो जो फ्री होते थे उस पर भी अब फ्री नहीं होंगे, उस पर भी पैसा लिया जाएगा। अब तो पर्ची की बात तो छोड़िए, अब सारी चीजों पर जो है वो टैक्स लगेगा। तो बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। मुख्यमंत्री को पुनः विचार करना चाहिए इन सारे फैसलों को लेकर के।
पूनम हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रही है। पूनम, पुनर्विचार का जो एक डिमांड है या अपील है वो जयराम ठाकुर की तरफ से की जा रही है, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से कोई बात की जा रही है कि आखिरकार ये निर्णय क्यों लिया गया?
जी बिल्कुल, देखिए सरकार की अगर हम बात करें, जब पावर में आए थे देन दे हैड गिवन मेनी प्रोमिसेस, दे हैड गिवन मेनी गारंटीज वेदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी विल बी गिवन फ्री, स्टार्टअप योजना, मेनी थिंग्स वर गिवन दैट दे विल बी प्रोवाइड फ्री, बट दिस साइड नाउ इवन गवर्नमेंट दे से दैट फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस इज गोइंग ऑन, सो पीपल will now people visiting government hospital will be charged for ₹10 as a prescription for the prescription. Now the question rises, on the one side you are saying that many things will be given free to the public, on the other side now even the diagnosis test, 133 tests which in government hospital earlier it was free during the BJP tenure, all the tests were free, but now even that test will be charged. Now a question rises, why how much tax people have to pay? They are paying electricity on electricity, they are paying tax. Milk cess has been introduced on electricity. Earlier there was no tax on electricity, even 100 round about 125 units were free, and during BJP tenure, now even Congress tenure is going on. Every people are fed up of giving taxes now, and people visiting earlier in hospitals, even people mostly people of middle class visit the hospital, and they had a relief about that they have to visit public.
So what are these 133 tests as well, Poonam? अगर आप उसकी कोई जानकारी दे सकती हैं, हुआ previously वो non chargeable, लेकिन उसके ऊपर भी अब फीस देनी पड़ेगी।
See, the tests which were free in government hospital, like sugar test and uric acid, like many tests were there which were very mandatory when diagnosis were. It is mandatory whenever people visit government hospital, doctor writes them tests, and that these tests are very. If we visit private hospital, now each test is we have to pay 800 per rupees test. But if now these tests were free, now people had a very relief. On the one side that now health, we can go visit the hospital, government hospital, and we need not to pay any fees for it. But now each and every test, 133 tests, which are very expensive in private hospitals, each test you have to pay more than 800 or 900. Like vitamin D test, if we visit private hospital, more than 1,000 rupees per test is there. But if we visit government hospital, we have to no charges were there. But now people have to pay charges for each and every test in government hospital. On the one side,
recently कितनी सेवाएं या सर्विसेज ऐसी हैं जो पहले निशुल्क थी, लेकिन उसके ऊपर आप फीस या एक तरीके से they have now become chargeable, and all of these decisions recently with the financial crunch that the state of Himachal Pradesh has been facing is drawing a lot of criticism from the BJP side. ऐसी कौन सी सेवाएं हैं जो recently उनका प्राइस बढ़ा दिया गया है?
जी देखिए, पहले अगर हम बात करें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की, अर्लियर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी 130 यूनिट ड्यूरिंग बीजेपी टेन्योर इट वाज फ्री, बट नाउ इवन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रेट्स हैव बीन हाइक्ड, इवन मिल्क सेस हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड। तो अब ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है हमें पैसे देने पड़ रहे हैं उसके, और हाई चार्जेस हैज बीन इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। अर्लियर वाटर टैक्स, no water tax was given by the public. Now even we have to pay water tax. Earlier it was in a hospital, whenever the public used to visit hospital, no prescription fees has to be given by the public. Now 10 rupees has to be given by each and every person who visit government hospitals. 133 tests which were free in government hospital, that
Yes.
tests are very mandatory whenever you visit a hospital.
So sickness also now coming at a price, as far as when it comes to the BJP in the opposition in the state of Himachal Pradesh is concerned, is now appealing to Chief Minister Sukhu to reconsider this decision. पूनम, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए।